Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So after my spiritual awakening, when I got to know about this twin flame connection, and still I was not giving any attention to this twin flame. So what he started doing, he started doing love spells and other kind of magics on me, and which was already so disturbing and so bothering because my energies were getting disturbed. And when he saw that these things were not working because I was not giving him attention, yes, it was affecting my energies, but that doesn't mean you will have the result which you are looking for through these magic. Wherein he exactly hired several sort of practitioners who do all these kind of spells. So still he did not get the result. So now what he started doing sexual magic on me. Now that was such a bothering thing for me, because if you are a real twin flame, you know that you already feel this energy a lot, especially when you are in front of each other. So when I met him in my office, since then I started, feeling these energies all of a sudden. Before this, I never experienced that I was ever feeling, sexual energy. So there I was questioning, why does this happen? And then what I used to do, I used to go away from this person while being in the office. Maybe I'll take a break, or I will go here and there, so that these energies will come down and it will be gone within few minutes, or within half an hour at least. So that I was already experiencing because of this twin flame connection. So now when he started doing these sexual magic, it was such a difficult thing for me to handle. And then I was getting angry, and the anger of my ancestors and spirits guides were extreme. Now I was not able to hold on to that anger, was not able to calm down to my ancestors and spirit guides. So during that process, my voice was changing. It was not my voice, the way I was getting angry and speaking out of anger to myself. So that was actually the voice of my ancestors and the spirit guides. So yes, it was back to back. This person was doing different kind of spells on me. So that was another level of confirmation, when first of all, wrong people do not have any kind of genuine real wisdom or any sort of power. But if they get to know from someone or from somewhere about these magic or any other sort of magic, they start misusing it immediately. And that's what I saw because of this twin flame. So as this twin flame was not stopping himself from doing different kind of spells and magic on me. So he kept on hiring another level of practitioners. So you all will know probably who are into tarot and have seen such content on social media. There are several people who do a lot of marketing about their spiritual practices or spiritual powers, that they actually give you guarantee for getting this kind of results, that kind of results. So he actually contacted those people, and he kept on contacting. So I knew now this thing is not going to be stopped, but yes, my energies were definitely bothered. So as I knew these things will never get him those results what he's looking for through these magics, whether he's doing it or getting it done through other practitioners. But then what should I do? What sort of protection I should put so that my energies do not get disturbed? But because it was so difficult for me to handle the anger of my ancestors and spirit guides, and at the same time divine kept on telling me to give him a tight slap through magic, because that's what he deserved. So because energies were disturbed and I was continuing my inner work, so still I did not do that, because I knew my concern is to break connection in all possible ways. But if I try punishing this person through magic, then I will not be able to actually have what I'm looking for, that I actually wanted to break this connection. So that was such a challenge. I was still looking for the solutions, and I tried a lot to remove these feelings and thoughts from me, which was not helping. It was not working. So meanwhile, divine asked me to reveal this twin flame connection to this twin flame. As I was not talking to him, I was not in direct communication with this person, but then he has kept on stalking my social media. So yes, he was as he was kept on checking and stalking my social media, so whatever I was writing, he was actually replying, doing post immediately. So I knew that that's how divine has asked me to reveal the connection. So during night time, I actually wrote this on. Okay, so before that, what I did, Okay, so I got to know about this twin flame connection in the month of March. Then I did one more thing before revealing this connection, because since my powers were returned back to me after my awakening, this kind of secrets were getting revealed to me about this twin flame that was so difficult for me to handle. It was impossible, and my anger was increasing day by day. And I thought, how could this be hidden from me? So that was hidden because my powers were taken away because of that 10 years of journey. So once my powers were returned back to me, I started, seeing all sort of truths which were hidden from me. And now I was getting angry. How could this be hidden from me? So that was only hidden because of, I was not having my power because that 10 years of journey. So what I got to know, the way this twin flame was, spying on me, and what he did. So as he and I had several common friends who I was talking, but there were also people who had nothing to do with this airline industry, or was not in connection or contact of this twin flame, but was a contact on social media. So this twin flame actually contacted himself on social media, and the person who was my friend giving him each and every information. So that I'll share in a separate video, the ways he was spying on me. So there was a person who was his best friend of this twin flame, and he was again from this airline only. So he was my common friend. So one day I was talking to him, and it was after COVID only, month of April 2020 end. So I said that person that please take care of him. If something happens to this person, I will end my life. And I do not know why that I am not able to move on from this person, and these feelings are not going. So maybe I am having some sort of old soul type of connection, maybe some past life connection with this person. So what this best friend of twin flame said, that I don't think so that he believes in old soul thing and all, or maybe in past life. I said I do not know, but I just feel maybe some sort of old soul connection type is connection is there. That is the reason I'm not able to forget. And now the moment call was disconnected from this best friend, within 10 minutes this twin flame posted on social media that he is an old soul, he would like to be with another old soul, he can spend his entire life with old soul. That's what he's looking for. So now do you understand the way this best friend was pretending in front of me? He doesn't give my information to him, but at the same time, for the first time in those 10 to 12 years, I talked about old soul. Immediately within 10 minutes, this twin flame posted on social media that he's an old soul. So that's what confirmation I needed, that this friend is actually intentionally taking my information from me and giving it to this twin flame. Also, this best friend asked once that as I was busy doing my studies during weekends, and also as it was COVID time, so while working also I was doing my studies when I had less work, as I was working in night shift. So this twin flame was as kept on stalking me. So he was curious what sort of studies I'm doing. Another thing, so I applied for this Canada PR in 2019 November. So I had to prepare for my exam, and also I had as I was given a lot of spiritual downloads, so I had to make notes of those sacred wisdom. So there I was busy in writing. So he was curious, so he asked this friend to check, am I applying for abroad, am I planning to go out of the country? So when this person asked, so I told him, no, I'm not applying for such things, I'm not even interested in going out of the country. So I lied intentionally, because I knew this person was giving each and every information to this twin flame, because this twin flame has asked him to take information from me and give it to him. Though I told this best friend that I am not applying for abroad, no plans for going out, and but still, as I kept on studying during weekends, so this twin flame was so curious, how come what she's studying for hours and hours, and that's why he was so curious. So just to get to know this, he did some another level of trick, and he used somebody else that I'll reveal in another video. And in the month of May 2020, I revealed this twin flame connection to him. Again, it was midnight timing. I wrote it on social media on my Instagram that I am in a twin flame connection. I only wrote this, that I am in a twin flame connection. So as he was awake, and he was kept on stalking. So what he did, immediately he wrote during midnight on social media that he is God. God mode activated. So after knowing the twin flame connection, he started calling himself God on social media. And now that was the funniest part. Like, when I got to know about this connection, I had no extra feeling. It's just that I was going through a lot of spiritual attacks, lot of, incidents was happening back to back, lot of powers I saw within myself. So I was in acceptance, yes, because of this connection, I hold this title. And that's why, everything has a meaning. It's not something meaningless. That's it. But look at this person who started calling himself God. And I wrote that I am in a twin flame connection. And as I always considered that every post of mine was only for him. So he considered that he's a twin flame, and he started calling him divine masculine and started calling him God. So kept on writing on social media that he's God mode activated, God mode is on. This is what he started, writing on a regular basis. Also, he did one thing now. He told to this karmic feminine who was his girlfriend about this connection. He also showed her my pictures. So I am a gorgeous one, and that girl is actually below average. So since then, why did he did that? So as I've already said, wrong people, selfish people have no meaningful connection. They are always like, empty from each and every area of their life. So what he did, he told to this karmic feminine that I am a divine feminine, he's a divine masculine, and she's a karmic feminine, but as he loves her, so he wants to marry her, so she should worship him like a god. So once this twin flame told to this karmic feminine about this twin flame connection, that she's a karmic feminine, still he wants to marry her, but she should actually worship him, like a god. So she started commenting on social media, yeah, you are God, you are this and that, and you should be worshipped, I worship you. So she started doing it, upfrontly on social media. Now meanwhile, they both forgot that they actually showed a fake breakup on social media. So till now they were, doing negative commenting about each other, but they forgot, after knowing this connection, that they did something, to show off that they were not in a connection, they were not in a relationship. So now the negative commenting turned out into positive commenting. They started commenting, oh yeah, you are God and I worship you. So now what happened, this karmic feminine started stalking me continuously. And again, when somebody is stalking me on social media, I am always aware about. So if I knew, about a person who has been connected to me, or I know that person somehow, maybe because of any reason, I know how many times you are checking my social media. Every time, even you are checking from fake accounts. So that's how she was stalking me, through a fake account, not from her real account. So since then she started copying each and every post of mine, everything, copy pasted. Before this twin flame was, grooming her exactly like me. But now the moment she got to know about myself, because of this connection, so she started stalking also. Now she got to know about tarot. I saw her following a lot of tarot readers immediately after knowing this connection. Before this, she had no idea about these spiritual things. So then what she did, that I found her that she started doing spells on me and on him as well. So she wanted that this twin flame should actually remove his focus from me. So when he started, showing him my picture to her, so that he wanted to play a insecurity game, because she is below average. So definitely she will feel insecure, and he knows how to play his insecurity game, because I have seen him, doing that when I was working with him in the same office. So yeah, she was insecure, she was jealous, and she was again below average. So that was something normal. So what she started doing, so many spells, so that she gets entire focus of him on her, and he should not think about me, which was not possible. Now also she started doing dirty spells on me, just because of jealousy. And also she tried she created several accounts, fake account, that by the name of alchemist, that she's alchemist. So she was clear she cannot call her divine feminine, but then yeah, she can call her alchemist. And then kept on calling this person twin flame a god on social media. Now, so this karmic feminine kept on, doing those, black magic spells and other sort of spells, so that, this twin flame should remove his focus from me, and I should also not think about this, connection. So now this twin flame was doing spells on me. Now at the same time, this karmic feminine also started doing spells on me. And one more thing happened, that once this person got to know about this connection, since then I started seeing these two people in my dream state during astral travel, that this karmic feminine is doing this on me, that on me. And then also this twin flame is threatening me, if I do not focus on him, then he will get married to this karmic feminine. So I was thinking, like, I'm not looking for anything. Why am I getting such threats? And what will happen, even though if I start focusing on you? Nothing. You will kept on, playing this shittiest game. And since then I also started seeing that, twin flame's mother started threatening me, I will not let this marriage happen if I talk about myself and this, twin flame. So that started happening on constant basis, regular basis. That was another bothering thing for me. So as lot of twin flames are concerned about, that twin flame is not talking because karmic feminine has done this kind of magic, that kind of magic, or their family members have done that to separate them. So no, that's not the reality. Actually, a person who is pure, honest, loyal, innocent, actually black magic works on them. A person who is a narcissistic, toxic, it doesn't work on them. That's so clear. So now somehow this was working in my favor. There I realized people who have been doing black magic on him, that is actually his karma, because he is the one who uses people, who uses others' feelings and emotions for his own benefit, and he like people to chase him and to keep him keep several females on stuck on him intentionally. So, and he's all about like name, fame, money, wrong thing, and he will do any wrong shittiest thing to have such thing in his life. So this was his karma. And because see, when he got to know about this tarot and spells and all, immediately he started doing on me. And when I met this person, this twin flame, for the first time, when I had doubt, when he was telling me about his ex-girlfriend breakup, so there I had this doubt that this person is into black magic and all, but that time I ignored it. So what has happened, this is actually his karma, whether his mother is doing black magic on him, or karmic feminine is doing black magic on him. So it is his karma which he will get throughout his life. And the moment this karmic feminine got to know about black magic and spells and tarot, and then since then she started doing it on him immediately, so that she can get married to him. And then she did several spells so that she can immediately get married to him, but it was not happening. So in 2020 I got to know about this connection. She also got to know in the month of May about this twin flame connection. Since then she started doing these spells, but it was not working. So something has happened which I will share in upcoming videos. So there I realized that this karmic feminine is, his actual real karma. So this marriage should actually happen. And, as he has been doing spells and has been into dirty things, so she matches exact energy of this twin flame. So now this twin flame, was actually expecting, as I am aware about the connection, so I should give him now attention and focus. And the moment he started calling himself God, so he was expecting now I should actually give him attention, because connection, relationships are always important for good people who value emotions and relationships. But no, it was not going to happen. So he was even more frustrated. How come I'm not giving him attention? Because he's into his twin flame. So I knew that this will happen, and I already knew that the moment he get to know about this connection, this sacred connection, it will be an opportunity for him, so that he can play another level of game with me. So I already knew that. So I still did not give him any focus or attention, but yes, I then took a decision that now I'll be moving forward. I would not be looking back, and I'll be removing these feelings and thoughts from me about this person. And I kept on doing different things, but this was not helping me at all. I was not able to remove these feelings and these thoughts. And at the same time, because of his magic and this karmic feminine magic, there were several other people who were doing magic. And then these entities attacks were not stopping. So I was actually handling a lot of things at that time. So as it was 2020 when he got to know about this connection through me, and that karmic feminine got to know, and it was a COVID time, so everybody was at their home, nobody was supposed to go outside. And then in 2020 end, I believe, people had some sort of approval that they can go out maybe once or twice in a week time, something like that. So what he started doing, he used to go by his car and stay with this girl, which she was staying in the same city, and I knew her address because she was staying alone because of her job in our city. So he used to go there and stay for a week time, and the moment he had this right that he can go outside, as because of government rules and regulations because of COVID and all. So what has happened, he used to stay with her and used to update on social media he's going out of the city because of his work and all, wherein I had all sort of evidences, because I needed that just so that now I'm moving forward and I will not look back. So now, as I was already, trying a lot of things to remove these feelings and all, and this, his thought which was always there, it was not happening. And but there were several other shocking truths which was supposed to be revealed to me about this connection, that I will share in upcoming videos, because those are something which every twin flame needs to know. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.